In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Analytics. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Salesforce org so you're on the home page. From here, go to the gear icon in the top right and open Setup. If you see an option for Advanced Setup, open that to land on the full setup area. This view gives you access to all the configuration tools you'll need for analytics and reporting. In the Setup sidebar, use the Quick Find search box and type Analytics. Select Analytics from the results. This page is your control center for analytics features. You can set up and configure the analytics environment and connect data. If you plan to pull in information from external systems, confirm you have the right permissions and connectors enabled. Keeping your data model clean and standardized at this stage will save you time when you start building reports and dashboards. If you prefer to explore what's already available, switch over to the Sales app. There, look for the Analytics option. You'll find pre-built analytics content you can start using right away, dashboards and visualizations designed around common sales questions. These are great for quick wins, and you can customize them later to match your team's terminology, filters, and KPIs. You can also build from scratch using the Reports area. Open the Reports tab, click New Report, and choose a report type that matches the object you want to analyze, such as leads, opportunities, or accounts. In the report builder, add filters to narrow your results, set a useful date range, choose record ownership if necessary, and apply stage or status criteria. Drag fields into the columns pane to include the details you need. Group rows to organize the data, add summaries like sum or average, and turn on a chart to visualize trends. Keep the layout simple and label groupings clearly so the insights are obvious to your audience. When your report looks right, save it with a clear name and description so others can find and trust it. Then head to the Dashboards tab. You can add your new report as a component to an existing dashboard or create a fresh dashboard. Pick a chart type that fits your story, choose the report as the data source, and apply dashboard-level filters to make it interactive for different teams or regions. Finally, save and run the dashboard to see the live view. Review permissions and folder sharing to ensure the right people can access it, and you're all set to use Salesforce Analytics confidently.